This is my daughter, Christina, my wife. So today we're going to take a quick look of the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G phone. Redmi Note 9 5G. Actually, I've did a video before. I've specified all of those specs there in this video. So if you haven't checked it out, you can check it out, from these videos. Today in this video, do a quick look. I'm not holding the phone, so I can give you the real experience. Wow, the hand feel is really good. It's really smooth. They adopt those kind of aging, process thing. Hello. Let me change it to English first. They have this kind of linear motor thing, so when you tap it, you can feel the vibration. It feels good. So we can see it's MIUI 12. All specs. Not sure if you can see clear. Can you see clear? Let's check the camera. Hey. 咩事啊？有冇同佢嘢？咩事啊？做乜嘢？喺邊度啊？喺嗰度啊？喺度做乜嘢啫？做乜嘢啫？誒，我跑呢。是你嗰啲。Not that bad. Looks okay. It has a really good bokeh effect. So this is the camera interface. If you want that 108 megapixel, then you have to click more. Yeah, this is really fast now. Not like Xiaomi 9cc Pro. It takes like 3 seconds to take a 108 megapixel photo, but this one is like 1 second maybe. So that's the Note 9 Pro 5G, 108 megapixel camera. Has a really good performance in low light condition. Snapdragon 750G liquid cooling system, 100 Hz refresh rate, and 4,820 milliamp battery. It has 33 watt fast charge. You can top up from 0% to 100% in 58 minutes. Yeah, that's the phone. This is the Note 9 Pro, Note 9 5G. Almost the same design. Let's check the specs. Screen size 6.53 inches. The resolution. Battery is 5,000 milliamp battery. CPU's Dimensity 620. It's the camera information. Yeah, if you have a little bit more budget, definitely go to the Note 9 Pro 5G phone. That one is like the beast. It's unbeatable in this price range. Okay, and this is Note 9 4G. This was released like a couple months ago, right? So nothing more to say. There are lots of reviews here. Redmi Watch. I also did a review about this. Not quite a review. I actually have purchased an official unit, and it should, arrive in these 2 days, and I will do an in-depth review. Many people complain that the gesture, is sluggish. So I'm here to Bluetooth notification. This is sports mode. We have outdoor running, indoor cycling, outdoor cycling, free exercise, jogging, swimming. Yeah, it seems okay. Not that sluggish as you said, Seems okay. Alright, that's it. It's really lightweight and feels okay. Well polished. Yeah.